Yon mga kap, flex lang natin yung ating made show pair mga kap. The ever reliable, tried and tested. Okay. Most commonly used by all barbershop. Most of the barbershop here in the Philippines. Napaka-solid nitong made show na to mga kap. Okay, so ito yung made show M10 mga kap. Napakatahimik, okay, leather with notches, premium blade, okay. So ang pinaka-strength talaga nito mga kap is yung combination ng tamang lakas ng motor at ng premium blade niya mga kap, no. Kaya solid yan, and then at the same time tahimik. Okay, ito naman yung kanyang made show M11 trimmer or detailer mga kap. Yan ay naka GTX T outliner blade, zero gap. Okay, solid na solid yan. So, kung naghahanap ka ng pangmalakasan, pangbakbakan, okay, direct message lang kay Daddy Barber.